Chess, a strategic game with 32 pieces, 16 black and 16 white. They come in 6 types: king, queen, bishop, rook, pawn, and knight. In chess, the king must be protected at all costs. One wrong move and you may find the game is lost. The king moves 1 square anywhere at any time, and he captures whatever piece he entwines. The queen moves diagonally and straight, back and forth, left or right. When the path is clear, she captures pieces. It's quite a sight. She's powerful and versatile, step by step with giant leaps. So be sure to protect her very carefully.
The bishop moves diagonally.
Diagonally.
It captures the first piece it sees.
First piece it sees.
Forward or backward at an angle it goes. As it tries to capture foes.
Come on.
The rook moves in straight lines and captures any piece it finds. It goes forward, backward, left to right.
Left to right.
As many spaces as it wants to find.
On their first move, only pawns have a special rule. They can move 1 or 2 squares forward, sometimes a useful tool. Then the pawn moves forward 1 square at a time, but only attacks diagonally, a chess player's paradigm. The knight moves just like an L. Where it lands, that piece is captured in its spell. It goes 2 steps, right, left, front or back, then 1 step to the side of that. Or it can go 1 space, followed by 2 more to its landing place.
Chess is the best.
It's the best.
Way to test your mental prowess. It's no more and no less.
No less.
And a chance to see a strategy manifest.
Okay.
It's not a game.
Come on.
It's a quest.
It's a quest. Yeah. Let's go. The knight is the only piece that can jump over another, except in one special situation we'll discover. Because the king and the rook sometimes get a chance to partake in castling, a specific dance. A 2-part move called castling takes the king out of the center to protect the king and also bring the rooks closer together. Castling can't be employed if the king is in check, or if the king or rook have moved prior to this step. There is one more rule that the player must embrace. The chess pieces between the king and rook can no longer be in place. So to castle, the king can move 2 spaces to the left or right, while either rook jumps over to the king's opposite side. The game's on 64 squares, marked A to H and 1 to 8. 2 players try to capture each other's king and seal their fate. It's called check. When a king in danger must move to escape. When it can't get away, it ends the game as the winner calls checkmate. Chess
It's the best.
is the best.
Way to test your mental prowess. It's no more and no less.
No less.
And a chance to see a strategy manifest.
Okay.
It's not a game.
It's not a game.
It's a quest.
It's a quest. Come on. Chess. Now I be in the wrong if before I end the song I didn't go on a little more about the pawn. There's 1 king, 1 queen, and the rest have 2 pieces each. Except for pawns, there are 8 who guard their army from a breach. Pawns only move diagonal, capturing a piece of the enemy. Otherwise they can only move straight forward toward the other army. And finally any pawn can be traded for his captured queen by getting to the enemy side of the board, where she's redeemed. One more thing we should recall to get this quite right: a pawn can be promoted to a rook, bishop, or knight. So we can choose another piece other than the queen by making it across the board, as we've now seen. Chess is the best.